Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our fearless leader, Kevin Monco.
Kevin Monco.
How about Kevin Volcano, the Silver Surfer?
Well, I'm up on the 11th floor and I'm watching the cruisers below. She's down on the street, she's trying hard to pull Sister Flo. Well, my heart's in the basement, my weekend's at an all-time low. Cause she's hoping to score and I can't see him letting her go. Walk out of her heart, walk out of her mind. Oh, no, not her. She's so swishy in a satin and tan, in a frock coat, a bibbidi-bobbidi hat. Oh God, I could do better than that. She's an old-time ambassador of sweet-talking, night-walking games. And she's known in the darkest clubs for pushing ahead of the dame. And she says she can do it, and she can do it. She don't make false claims. Cause she's a queen, and such a queen, since her laughter is sucked in her brains. And she's leading me on, and she'll lay it right down. And she's leading it on, and she'll lay it right down. But it could have been me, yeah, it could have been me. Why didn't I say, why didn't I say? Now, she's so swishy in a satin and tan, in a frock coat, a bibbidi-bobbidi hat. Oh God, I could do better than that. I lay down a while and I gazed at my hotel wall. You know, my cot was so cold, it don't feel like no bed at all. Yeah, I lay down a while and looked at my hotel wall. And he's down on the street, so I throw all his bags down the hall. And I'm phoning a cab, cause my stomach feels small. There's a taste in my mouth, and it's no taste at all. It could have been me, it could have been me. Why didn't I say, why didn't I say? Now, she's so swishy in a satin and tan, in a frock coat, bibbidi-bobbidi hat. Oh my God, I could do better than that. You betcha.